Have you ever wondered how to decoupage on a window? Well, we're going to show you briefly. Lori, who's new to decoupaging windows, is painting the trim on the window first. She's taped it off. Now Lori is putting her paper down. This is her decoupage paper. She's doing creasing so she can measure the paper exactly to what she wants on her window. So creasing at first is the key thing. And once again, this is Lori's first project to ever decoupage on a window. So creasing all sides of it's important, which that'll be her pattern. She'll take it off and then start to cut. This is how she's trimming it so she can lay it down on her board, or excuse me, her window, to give you that perfect fit. So trimming it, there's two different ways to trimming it. She's choosing the straight edge way. Now she's going to anchor it down. So she's putting some top coat as her medium to glue the decoupage paper down. She's going to do a 2-inch strip to anchor it, and she'll smooth it all out. We're using plastic wrap to help smooth it. That way you don't tear your paper. So she's smoothing it out, and then she'll flip the paper up and do 2 inches all the way down until she has her medium all down there, smoothed out with the saran wrap. Here she's showing you the end part. We didn't do the middle part for lack of time, but she's showing you the final part on gluing this down with our top coat. She's going to spray it because we did that throughout the whole process. We sprayed our paper to give it some stretch. And here at the end, sometimes your paper does want to torque a little bit. You just need to try and get those wrinkles out and to smooth it down. And once again, we use the saran wrap to do that. And as you'll see in a little bit, this did have a hole in it. Our paper did rip, because your paper can rip. You can get wrinkles, but there is a way to get rid of all that stuff. So she is right now stretching it all down, and we'll show you what it looked like when she got it stretched down. As you can see, there's a hole up there on the left side where her paper tore. So here it is. All of the paper is glued down with our lacquer. That's what we use for our medium. And you'll see the hole up on the left side, but she is going to end up blending that, which you can do. You can paint on these papers too. So here she is stippling, and she's going to paint. She's stippling, chalk paint in there to blend to the horse, all the colors that she needs. As you can see, she's blended that hole up on the left side of that. And now the last thing is to seal it. So she's sealing it with the top coat, just smoothly putting it over. And remember, this is Lori's first time to ever do a window or to decoupage on class. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and follow and watch some of the other quick tips and tricks that we give you. And Lori did end up selling this. I didn't get to do a staged picture of it because she sold it within days. Thanks for watching.